Hello guys! Merry Christmas to everyone! For today, gagawa tayo ng Callos. So, napaka-festive in color nitong ating Callos. So guys, let's start. Ito yung mga ingredients natin. Beef Trife. Pinakaluan ko siya for 30 minutes. Then, gamit din tayo ng beef. Sausages. Carrots cut into small pieces, and then onions, garlic, tomatoes, and of course ginger. And then we're going also use our red and green bell pepper. We have green peas, laurel leaves, and black ground pepper, and of course patis sautés and our tomato sauce. So let's start. So I boiled water. Then I'm ready to put all the laurel leaves, garlic, and onions, and of course our beef tripe. So, we're going to boil the tripe for around 30 to 40 minutes until it becomes tender. So, after 30 minutes, our beef tripe is now tender. Let's start cutting our boiled beef tripe into small pieces. And then next is we're also going to cut our beef into smaller pieces too. So let's start cooking, guys. So first, let me greet you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year ahead of you. So guys, I am here in my sister's house, and look, oh, ang ganda ng mga decors niya, mga lights around her garage. So, malapit din na talaga mapipigilan ang pagdating ng Christmas. So, andito ako ngayon sa open space. So, ayan guys. We're going to start to saute our garlic. As I have said, napakabango ng garlic. Ito yung favorite part ko. Ang pag-saute. Kasi ang bango-bango talaga ng aroma ng garlic. And then, sinunod ko pala ang ating onions. So, lalong bumango siya. Yung nga lang, yung uso pupunta sa aking paste. Pero okay lang. And then, sinunod ko ang ating, of course, ang garlic. Sinunod ko ang ating ginger. And of course, our tomatoes. So, ayan guys. My favorite part, sauteing. Medyo mausok nga lang kasi ang hangin papunta dito sa aking face. Pero okay lang guys. So, ayan. Gisa-gisa tayo. Ready na natin ilagay ang ating beef tripe. Yan, maa-absorb na ng ating beef tripe ang aroma and taste ng ating mga ingredients na inilagay like garlic, ginger, onions, and of course, our tomatoes. Ayan, lalo siyang bumango. Then later, susunod na natin ang ating beef. So ayan na guys, nilagay ko na ang ating beef cut into smaller pieces. So let's saute more our Callos ingredients. Let's saute for a few minutes more. So, let's put our sausages. Let's saute for a few minutes. Then we are now ready to put our carrots. Give it again a mix. Now, let's add our green peas. Later, lilipat natin siya sa ating caldero later on. Followed by our green and red bell pepper. So that's it, guys. Give it again a mix. Then, let's add in our tomato sauce na magpapasarap sa ating Callos recipe. Of course, mix again. Later on, tatransfer natin siya sa isang malalim na kaserola. Because we will add in our broth extracted from boiling our beef tripe and beef. Let's add our bay leaves. Bay leaves is an optional ingredient. Pwedeng meron, pwede ring wala.
And then, ready na natin siya isahalin sa ating pan. So, ito guys, isasalin na natin ang ating
So, transfer na natin ang ating
ingredients sa ating
callos sa isang malalim na
para
kaldero.
may space tayo para sa ating
So, ayan, transfer our callos
So, yan,
into a
napaka-effective na
deeper
color
pan.
niya para Christmas lights. Ganyan. Para siyang lights. Christmas lights in color. So, ganyan siya. Festive na festive. So, ayan guys. Isalin na namin siya. So guys, lalagay na natin ang pinagpakuluan ng ating beef
We
tripe.
are now ready to pour in our broth from our boiled beef tripe and beef. So this soup, this broth will really add flavor to our callos. So give it a good mix. So what a festive color we have. Tamang-tama sa ating
Pouring our,
Christmas tidings.
after pouring the soup of our pinagpakuluan na beef tripe and beef.
So let's cover our pan for a few minutes. Let it boil for around 10 minutes.
After boiling for a few minutes, na natin siya guys.
Give it a mix.
So, lagay na natin ang ating black brown pepper.
Let's put a tablespoonful of black ground pepper. But it also depends on your desired amount. If you're going to put 1 tablespoonful or 1 teaspoon, it depends on you guys. Kung gusto niyo mas maanghang ng konti, so gawin niyo 1 tablespoonful. Or kung minimal naman ang anghang, a teaspoon of black pepper will do.
Mga 2 tablespoons.
So let's mix it again for a while.
2 tablespoons.
So ayan guys, it's almost done.
5 minutes more. Sarap.
Keep it boiling for a few minutes more.
Masarap yan. Ating bell pepper. Ulit. Pakuluin muna namin guys for a few minutes.
Let's cover for a while.
Tingnan natin guys ha. Ayan. So guys. Ulit siya.
So it's done guys. So let's taste
Guys,
again. So guys, napakasarap niya. It really tastes good. Tama-tama sa
natin siya guys.
malamig na panahon. This is one of my favorite comfort food.
So
So, ayan guys, sobrang sarap. So, it is a must na gawin nyo ito. Tama-tama sa Christmas season celebration ninyo. So, ayan, napakaganda ng kulay niya. So, nandito na tayo sa ating favorite part na taste test portion. So, here we are, guys. Tikman na natin ang ating nilutong Callos. So, one of my favorite comfort food. So, ito na. Pang dinner time na. Grabe, guys. Ang sarap. Mainit-init. Napakasarap. Humigop ng mainit na sabaw. Actually, pwede ninyo itong iterno sa inyong toasted bread or sa plain bread. And po, syempre, tamang-tama rin ito sa inyong rice, yung mga nagda-diet. This is a suitable food for you. So, with or without rice, mabubusog kayo dito. So, ayan guys, di ba? Naubos ko na naman siya. So guys, gumawa rin kayo nito. And for sure, your family will enjoy eating this Callos recipe. So I hope guys, you enjoyed watching this preparation of my Callos recipe. And I hope you do like, share, and again, of course, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your Christmas season. God bless.